Okay, here we go.
Please check it on the map.
It actually does some damage to your hands if you're touching the blade.
Yeah.
I saw those videos.
You just attach some pieces of metal to it and it'll be a weed whacker.
Isn't there the...
So you're gonna go try find them, right?
Yeah.
Where was it last time?
So you see where this middle ridge comes
Yeah.
in? Right where that comes down,
Oh.
that's where, around where they're at.
They
Where
come
am I?
onto the radio and then they say, oh,
Yo, how did I just lose it?
Drone.
Oh, I see it.
You see me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to go higher this time.
Terrible because it's white
I see the
and
drone.
it blends.
You see me?
Yo, it just blended in with the clouds. It's
Yeah.
gone now.
Can you hear it?
I can never find it.
I think I hear it.
You hear it?
I
Barely.
can like
I got a compass error. Let's see.
What are you trying to find?
I'm trying to find the waterfall.
Oh. Like when it was which way is it?
It's this way.
oh no.
Yeah. Here.
Below where we are.
Yeah.
So like over there.
Is that it?
Is this laggy too?
It's actually pretty responsive actually.
So like is this happening right now? Or is it
Yeah.
like a few seconds?
No, this is it.
So you're going
Look,
down
I
right
think
now.
that is that people? You see right where my that box is?
Yeah.
Is that
It's
people?
I don't.
Go closer. Oh yeah, is it? Oh, go right in their faces.
It's like close enough where they can touch the blades.
Oh, you see those lines going across? Yeah, see, I'm starting to lose signal.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, I gotta get up.
Wait, if you go too low.
Well, because that mountain is blocking me.
Can you zoom in?
No, I can't zoom in.
So where are you at right now?
I think that might be it though.
You can't zoom in?
No, I can't really zoom in.
Oh.
Troop 33, Troop 33, lower camp. Do you hear the drone?
Oh no. Uh-oh.
What?
Get up.
You almost just lose it.
Yeah, I almost just lost
What
it.
if you just lose all the connection?
33, lower
Then it's gonna climb up to 100 feet. 100 feet. Oh, you hear it?
Look up.
Yeah, we think we found you, but we can't see through the trees. Over.
That's not mine, it's his. Yeah,
Can't really get up.
yeah.
We're underneath the big mango tree, so it'll be a little hard to see us.
Is it
Yeah,
yellowish?
where's that big mango tree?
That one?
Downstream. I don't know.
Not too big.
What's a mango tree look like?
Maybe this
The
one?
parrots, they might go after your drone.
Yeah, yeah, they might.
Wait, if you go more than like
Tan, it's kind of bright green tan.
Yeah, but the leaves are bright green too.
that?
Oh, I gotta go up. I'm still losing signal.
Okay,
Where
well,
is
if
this?
you lose signal, it'll come back up, right?
It'll come up.
Tree over there?
Error. Wait, I'll come back up automatically and fly back to you.
Yeah.
Sun's farther away now.
Oh, okay.
Forward or back?
Oh, because I'm
We
higher.
have to
Because
use
I'm higher.
standard, you're getting warmer, you're getting colder. Back over.
I'm guessing somewhere around here.
Next time, red 10. Red 10.
I'm just gonna climb. Maybe I can get better.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, this one?
Oh, what's that?
That right there?
Yeah.
I don't
I'm
know.
not sure, but I think it's to our south. You gotta head a little north.
Wait,
Northern.
Oh, okay. So upstream.
what are those like shining things? River?
Oh no, that's like.
Getting warmer.
Oh, okay.
What are they?
I think he's kind of to the west of us. Gotta head a little east.
Let's see. Where's east?
Wait, how do they know where you are?
You can hear the noise.
It'd be funny if they were just watching the drone the entire time. Waiting for us to get directly on top of them.
Oh, so they're like over there?
Yeah.
People are saying, is there a mango tree under the drone?
Maybe right there? That's the mango tree?
Well,
Is that the thing and then the mango tree?
Oh, that?
let me try to just climb.
I think they're gonna say they're getting farther away.
Getting colder.
Oh, to yell and scream and run
Unless
around in
it's,
circles.
is it that tree?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Is it? Wait, what color are the leaves?
Tell them shoot a flame.
Yeah, that's what color mango tree leaves.
Layer.
I don't get
Get past us. It sounds like it's to the north of us.
Oh, okay, okay.
Oh, okay. I gotta
Wait, how
come
do you know
back
which
then.
one's
You guys
more?
want to just...
Alright, so I went too far.
There's like a red thing. Oh yeah, small red ants. No, small. It's a spider.
It's right
Are you
next
guys
to
next to the stream? Over?
Yeah.
Getting warmer.
That's all they say.
Maybe this one.
Yeah, I told them to say warmer, colder.
How is it that close to the stream?
No, it's
Maybe
pretty
that's
close.
them making
I'm
dinner.
pretty close. Over.
Put
I tell
a
I'm
tent.
gonna drop. Oh, I'm losing my. I don't see them though. So this one or this one, maybe, huh?
Go in the middle.
2, 3, 4.
How high is it? What's the elevation?
What's the elevation?
Well, it's negative 283 feet from where I'm
Oh.
at. I'm guessing around 200 to 300 feet above where they're at.
We're
Wait,
guessing
so we're at
around 200 to
600
300 feet above you?
We're at 600 feet or 400 feet.
We're at the 300 feet below us.
Negative 300.
So maybe like 100.
It's gotta be one of
This
these.
mountain that we're on.
We're not gonna
Okay.
hit them with a bob. Cheated.
Oh, it's this one. I don't know.
What? Yeah, like, there's an ant.
Oh well.
How much battery do you have?
I got 50% left, so I probably should start coming back.
Did you bring your charger?
No.
We have
this is my last
52%.
battery. Yeah.
So if you lose out of, if you run out
No,
of
I think
battery,
it's right over us.
Oh,
Yeah?
okay, lower down.
are you looking down?
Because we're under the tree, so we can't see up.
Yeah. Maybe this one?
Ooh, you're moving.
Alright, I gotta start hitting back.
Okay, we
Okay.
gotta start bringing it back. The battery's dying.
Is this your forward look?
Yeah, so this is forward. So, you see this right
wait,
here?
Wait, what's that?
This is where I'm my direction,
but
and the
like,
green.
what's that?
Oops.
The white and black.
Yeah.
Oh, that's like an
above the-
exposure.
Oh,
There,
man,
you see,
it's
like
real close.
what?
Oh, I see it. It's right above us,
What?
heading northwest of us.
Oh,
Way up though.
Wait, what?
So,
well,
Whoa, they saw
let
you.
me
Whoa,
try
but
back up then, or if I go straight down. So he's around here. That's straight down.
Ooh.
I don't know.
Wait, what's your camera
Anyways, I
movement?
better
Where's
go.
your camera? Where's your camera?
Time to
Oh,
go.
we were gonna stop and look for you guys with batteries going down.
how fast is? Oh my god!
Well,
it
maybe
went
we
down
can
5%
land it to
in
them
that
and
one
then
time.
Yeah.
Sorry, you broke up. Say again.
We're retrieving the drone. The battery is going low. Over.
Okay, roger that. Yeah, we did see the drone though.
Awesome.
Oh, see, the drone.
You
They
do?
also played that game.
Big drone.
There's a
Big boy. Big boy.
Wait, was a drone like
Big
black in six propeller
Yeah.
military looking one?
It was white.
Look at that.
Oh, you can actually
It's a
see the
bubble.
light.
Oh my gosh.
You see the light?
There.
Yeah, those sun rays.
Oh, the rays, yeah.
Wait,
Oh,
you
yeah,
see
let
it?
me see that.
The, sun,
you
the
can
rays
Is
of
it
the
above
sun.
us or
Let's see
below?
if I can
Oh,
see
The
that.
rays of the sun.
like after. That's
The sun rays.
pretty because after
The
like
rays
after
of
it
sun.
rains,
Sun rays.
after it rains,
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
you sound like my cousin.
32%.
32%? Oh, I better not fool around. Time to get back.
Go one from
How far
I
is
still cannot see.
1,600.
Yeah, 1,600 feet
Well,
above.
you took, what is up with you and taking this?
You're
I
doing
don't know.
12.
Now you can sit on there. for
What's the
now.
No, no,
slowest?
no.
Oh.
But you're scared.
How much is it?
1,300 feet.
Oh,
This is my
29.
distance right there. You see it?
How much is it like above us? I mean,
Oh,
256
256
feet.
above us.
so we both look.
Oh, there. You
like
can see the campsite right there. Right above. Yeah,
Can
yeah,
you
right
see
there.
me?
Yeah, right there.
Oh.
It's a sprinkle. What is it?
It's
Stealth.
All
Well,
right.
it's not really
You
stealth
see us?
because
I
the
feel
bass
better
is
now.
super loud.
Oh, I see it.
You see it?
Yeah.
Where?
I don't know.
I can hear it.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
Where?
I see it. It's
Above-
right there. You see that
It's
little
above the clouds.
oh, ant flying?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I see it. Oh no,
Coming
it's not
down.
that. It's that. Wait, how come it's black?
It's not black
It looks black.
because of shadows.
Yeah.
It's a government spy.
Wait, can you see us?
Yeah.
Look, can you see me?
Yeah,
Oh, we
here.
can
I'll
see
come
the
in. I'll come
people.
into right into us.
Is it black now?
Yeah.
Keaton, look at the
Slowly
camera.
getting
Look.
gray.
Oh yeah.
Ethan, don't commit die.
Wait, come on, you do it. I want to see you